Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You are recovering a Wi-Fi password for a network you own. Act accordingly. First, check the router sticker for the SSID and default key. Many routers still list a printed password. Once done, connect a laptop via Ethernet or use a device already paired to the network. Make sure you have admin credentials or physical access. Without permission, stop. These basics let you proceed quickly to view or reset settings in the router interface. Now open the router admin page in a browser using 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Once it loads, log in with the admin account. If you don't know it, try common defaults printed on the device, then change them immediately. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi security page to see the current SSID and passphrase, or replace it with a new strong password. Make sure to save settings and reboot the router if required. This is how you securely reclaim control. If you cannot access admin at all, perform a factory reset using the router's reset button. Press and hold per the manual until LEDs change. Once reset, log in with the default admin credentials from the sticker and immediately set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase and unique admin password. Reconnect devices using the new key and store credentials in a secure password manager. If something goes wrong, try power cycling the router and check Ethernet access. Physical access is often the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.